Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on performing internal maintenance for your Lenovo Yoga 720. In this video, we will cover the necessary tools, the step-by-step process, and some tips for maintaining your device's performance. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this task. A Phillips screwdriver, preferably a size P0 or P1, to remove the screws. A plastic opening tool or spudger to gently pry open the casing without damaging it. A can of compressed air for cleaning dust from internal components. Isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth for cleaning surfaces. Now that we have our tools ready, let's start by powering off your Lenovo Yoga 720 and disconnecting it from any power sources. This is a crucial step to ensure your safety while working on the device. Next, flip your laptop over to access the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws securing the back cover. Make sure you keep track of these screws as they can be easily misplaced. Remember, if you don't have the tools, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel. Start from one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to apply too much force, as this could crack the casing. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. First, let's focus on cleaning. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fan and heatsink. This is vital for maintaining the cooling efficiency of your laptop. Make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area and avoid turning the can upside down to prevent liquid from escaping. Next, check the condition of the RAM and hard drive. If necessary, you can remove the RAM sticks to clean the contact points. Be sure to handle them by the edges to avoid static damage. If you find that they are dusty, you can use a microfiber cloth lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to wipe them clean. While you're inside the laptop, it's also a good idea to check the battery connections. Ensure they are secure and free from debris. If you notice any corrosion or damage, it's best to contact a professional. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your laptop gets the care it needs. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully place the back cover back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips align properly. Secure it by replacing all the screws you previously removed. If you have any issues during this process, remember that we can assist you with our quote before repair service, eliminating any uncertainty. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga 720 and check if everything is functioning properly. You should notice improved performance and quieter operation thanks to the cleaning. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the lifespan of your device. Thank you for following along with this maintenance tutorial for your Lenovo Yoga 720. Taking these steps can help keep your laptop running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.